Happy Sunday, February 22nd. Rolling Stones Jigsaw Puzzle, December 5th, 1968. There's a tramp sitting on my doorstep, trying to waste his time. Well, his mouth like a sandwich, he's a walking clothesline. And here comes the bishop's daughter on the other side. And she looks a trifle jealous, she's been an outcast all night. Me, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor. I'm just trying to do my jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Oh, the gangster looks so rotten with his Luger in his hand. When he gets home to his children, he's a family man. But when it comes to the nitty-gritty, he can shove in his knife. Yes, he really looks quite religious. He's been an outlaw all his life. Me, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor. I'm just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle. The Lord rains anymore. Oh, all right. Yes, now. Alright. Me, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor. I'm just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Oh, the singer looks so angry, the beat is thrown to his hands, and the bass player looks so nervous about the girls outside, and the drummer looks so shattered, trying to keep on time, and the guitar player looks so damn mad. They've been outcasts all their life. Me, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor. I'm just trying to do my jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Oh, there's 20,000 grandmas wave their hands in the air, burning up their pumpkins, shouting it's not fair. There's a regiment of soldiers standing looking on, and the Queen is bravely shouting, what the hell is going on? With a blood-curdled jello, he charged into the ranks and blessed all those grandmas with the darn respect thanks. And I'm just waiting so patiently with a woman on the floor. We're just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle. The Lord raise them on. All right. do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Oh, wow. I love that song. Of course, Jigsaw Puzzle from the December 5th, 1968 release of Beggars Banquet. Jigsaw Puzzle. I love that song. And like Monkey Man and stuff, you know, I can think of a lot. But anyway, that was Rolling Stones from Beggars Banquet and Jigsaw Puzzle. I love the rare Stones. You know, I always loved the psychedelic type of Stones, anything from like 1965, 66. You know, Mother's Little Helper, that kind of stuff. You know, the spacey stuff, Dandelion and stuff like that. That was always good. And what's that one called? Oh, She's a Rainbow. I love all the psychedelic stuff. But anyway, that's Rolling Stones. Happy Sunday, February 22nd. A lot of snow outside, believe me. You know what it looks like, so I don't need to show you. But anyway, happy 22nd, and I want to welcome my new 2 subscribers that like the Stones and the U2. Well, here's some more Stones. Thanks.